What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. This is basically just a quick tutorial to show you how you can customize PageFly templates and add in your own product and collections. So we're just going to run through it really quickly. First of all, let's start by creating a new page. Because we want to make a sales landing page for special seasonal promotional events, we're going to create a regular page right here. Let this load up, and now we should see the templates. Here we are. So these are basically all the pre-designed and pre-optimized templates that PageFly offer. They've got templates for every industry and different template types. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sales page, and you can actually use any of these and completely customize them yourself, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to go with BFCM, which is the Black Friday Cyber Monday sales landing page. There's a little preview here, and click on start with this template, and here we are. Now the very first thing that I want to do is go to page settings, and I want to hide the header and footer in the editor and on the live page. So this is really important if you're making a landing page or a sales page, so that your prospective customer isn't distracted by the navigation links at the top, because we want them to take action on this page. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our different sections here. We've got a little bit of text, we've got a countdown timer, we have this nice banner here, and then we've got these empty discounted items, so we need to add some products in here. So let's start by selecting the 20% items, and to make sure you're actually editing the right element, if you go down here to the bottom, the navigation breadcrumbs will show you the exact path within the section that you're working on. So we've got section, row, column, product list. And this is actually super simple, guys. All you got to do is come under the general tab, select a collection. So I think for this we can go with let's go with the short sleeve shirts. And there we have it. So we've got the 4 different shirts with the different designs in here. We've got the price, we've got the description. Just a little hint, if you want to increase the amount of products within the column or decrease them, just slide this little tab over here under settings, and if you want to actually increase the amount of products, you can actually just modify that here like this. We've got our t-shirts in here. And let's go and add another section. This is with the same process. So let's try and put the hoodies in here. See if anyone's interested in buying these. And then because of this section, I don't actually want to use this. So if I click in this section, all I have to do is press delete, and it's gone. And another quick tip, guys, if you want to edit the background color for this to, fall in line with your brand or the theme of your landing page, click the section, head over to styling, and then underneath background we can just go ahead and select the color here. So let's go for black. Let's get a bit of contrast on the page, and there we have it. So we've got some products in here. If we scroll down, we've got another section here for the best-selling product. So again, it's exactly the same process, but instead of putting a collection in here, we're going to put in a single product. So we just select that from our Shopify products. I think I might put the beanie in here. There we are. So once again, we've got the product description, we've got the price, and we've got the product name with the call to action. If we scroll down, we've got the socks. So the next thing I want to show you guys quickly is to increase the urgency for your customers to purchase. So basically we've got 2 countdown timers, one at the top and one at the bottom. And guys, these are super effective for creating that fear of missing out within the customer. As soon as you put a time limit on something, immediately people get scared that they're going to miss out on a really good deal. So what you want to do is go over to the general tab to adjust the time, and it's literally as simple as just putting in the date and the time. So I'm going to put this for tomorrow at midnight. So let's go 27th of the 3rd, 2019, just for the purpose of the video. And then we will change the time to 12 a.m. And as you guys can see, actually that is 1 hour. Let's change it to 28th. As you guys can see, the preview is changing live, so we can already see the countdown beginning. So you do exactly the same for the top, just to let everyone know how much time they've got before they need to purchase. So again, we'll put 2019, 3rd, and we'll put the 28th in here. 12 a.m. Alright, and that's it, guys. And obviously, you know, with the top banner, you can, you know, add your own little promotional context related to your brand or related to the sale that you're actually holding. So the last thing we want to do very quickly is just save and publish. So I'm gonna put in the title here as test page before I save it. Click on save and publish. Okay, page successfully published. And then we want to head to view, and then let's check out the live page to see what we're working with here. All right, there it is, guys. We've got our top banner with the promotion. We've got the countdown timer, which is already on the clock. Got this nice big hero image. And then we've got our products. And we've got a few nice contrasting call to action buttons here. The red against the white. And then if we scroll all the way down, on the very bottom, we have another countdown timer just to reinforce that fear of missing out within the customer. And the most important thing, guys, with a landing page or a very good sales page is to get rid of your navigation at the top. We don't want this to be like a homepage. We want this to be a marketing tool that, you know, urges people and influences people to take action on the actual page. So that's it for the video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and see you in the next video.